Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the budget week, as we have Union Budget which will be presented today by Honorable Finance Minister Shri Nirmala Sitharaman. And Nifty has been falling, and before the event it made a top of 14,754, and it has gone down almost till 13,600. So basically, we have seen a fall of more than 1,000 points in Nifty in next five trading sessions. And like we have discussed in the previous video, we were expecting a target of 3,700 and a top around, a change in trend around 21st, which came in today. So we are, our analysis is working fine. So now let's focus on what can happen now. Now, first thing is 29th was a very important astro date. Why is that? I'll just show you. Mercury, like I've shown in a lot of my previous videos, Mercury is having a very big impact on the market because it is nearest to the sun. Now, whenever Mercury is nearest to the sun, this particular phenomenon in astrology is called as Mercury perihelion. Mercury is in perihelion, it is closest to the sun. Whenever it happens, you know, we generally tend to see a very good move. So, I've set up these conditions. I click on calculate and it will automatically draw this line. See, last time Mercury was in perihelion on 1st of November 2020, and from there we made a major bottom, and from there we had a very blow off kind of rally. Now the next Mercury perihelion, which is forming on 29th, which was last Friday when we made this bottom. So probably this is the first indication for us, like if we are going, we are going lower or going higher, is for me if the reversal has to come, we need to close above 13,966, which was the high on 29. Otherwise, this market will be kind of sell on rise only. So let's see how it has performed before. See here again, it formed a major bottom here, just consolidated, never broke that bottom, and from there it just rallied till this top was made. So this is again a cycle of Mercury from 8th of May till 1st of November. Till this low was not breached. Whenever this low was breached, we used to get a big move. Whenever the high was breached, we used to get a big move. So you can use this cycle. So the next cycle, which is coming on 24th April. So today's high and low will be valid till 24th April. Whenever they are breached, you will easily get 500 points in Bank Nifty and 150 to 200 points in Nifty, as per my analysis and back testing. So, and second thing is, let's look at the GAN cycles. So 29th is a very important date for GAN also. Why is that? I'll just show you. So if I go in 2018, which will be a 3-year cycle of GAN, 29th. Here we made an exact top here, and from there this was a major top, and from there we corrected almost 1000 points. Similarly, if I go to 2019, again this was a major bottom. From there we had a very good rally in the market. And if I go in 2020, so this is how time symmetry works, 2020. See here again, there was a small top and we had a big fall. So basically 29th is very important date. Astrologically, I've just shown you Mercury perihelion has come, and this is GAN. So this high and low will be very important for the next, for the whole Feb month. I mean, you will get very good trades based on this high and low. You don't have to, because there will be, and the markets will be highly volatile today. Okay, intraday trades, I'll anyways provide you the levels to trade on, but this is something which you need to focus on if you want to have make a positional view in the market. Now, let's quickly see the neural analysis also. So neural analysis, what it shows, like it has given us a top somewhere here. From there, we had a big fall, like it is showing. Now it is showing that we might see some consolidation, and from 3rd of February, we can see a big move in the market. Again, to reiterate, it works like 70% of the time. So in between, so watch out for the levels 14,966, sorry, 13,966 on upside, and 13,600, 585 on downside. These are the two levels which we need to watch out for. And this is the neural for Bank Nifty also. This is the Bank Nifty neural analysis. Again, it is showing like some consolidation which is happening. And I'll quickly show you the supply and demand analysis. So if suppose the low is breach of 13,572, The first support comes near 13,500, which is the trend line support, and if that is breached, 13,323 and 13,131, these are the levels you need to watch out for. So we have some trend line support. So this is a very, very crucial zone. This has to be, I mean, even if I go to the our weekly chart on GAN analysis, you can see here again a strong support is entering in a zone of 13,326. So the basic plan is, if 13,572 is broken, you can take a short trade. First target will be 13,500, and second target should be around 13,425, and third is 13,323 on downside. These are the levels which we should be watching out for. Similarly, if I look for Bank Nifty also, this is Bank Nifty. It bounced from the support zone, but if this low is broken, ICICI has given a very good result, so probably we can see some gap up opening. But watch out for this level, which was the low on Friday, around 30 30 3567. So 29,839, 28,977, 28,976 are the two levels which you need to watch out from downside. On upside, 31,797 and 32,852. You have to trade with a very, very open mind during the budget day. And if your capital is less than 5 lakhs, I've posted like a series of articles on my website bramistechanalysis.com on budget. You can go through them. There are two option strategies also we have discussed. So all in all, the plan should be, you can follow my weekly chopper levels for the trading. So these are the levels which I have given you. So watch out for these two levels. All these levels, 440, 323, 225, 131. These are the levels I've watched on downside. On upside, 776, 944, 4112, and 4280. But if you need to have a position view, similarly, this is for Bank Nifty also. Clearly define all the levels. You can watch out for these levels, trade them, and always remember, trade with discipline, trade with stop losses. On this day, you need to have some deep stop losses. If you are just trading intraday also, the markets will be highly volatile. Watch out for intraday timings also, which I've already published on my website. So that's about it. So I have shown you the importance of Astro, GAN, how these can be used to find the important turning points into the market, important levels to be watched out for today. So watch out, trade carefully, be disciplined, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.